The emptiness Kabir tried to avoid surfaced in small moments he could not escape. It appeared late at construction sites, when unfinished buildings stood exposed under harsh lights, echoing a sense of incompleteness he knew too well. He saw himself in half-built walls, in plans paused between vision and reality, caught in quiet uncertainty. His life looked ordered and impressive from the outside, admired for its discipline and success, yet inside it felt untouched and fragile, like a smooth surface hiding cracks beneath. Conversations stayed practical, friendships remained distant, and laughter appeared rarely, never lingering long enough to feel real. Family gatherings became duties he delayed, uncomfortable with questions about happiness, relationships, or futures he had never truly imagined. He measured his days through deadlines and achievements, convinced that constant motion meant growth, though it left him tired and unsatisfied. Even moments of happiness passed quickly, leaving restlessness behind instead of peace. Kabir relied on routine to stay in control, believing structure shielded him from vulnerability and difficult truths. But control created distance, and distance slowly turned into isolation. He watched others build lives filled with warmth, shared habits, and simple joy, while he perfected designs that revealed nothing about who he was. Purpose kept him moving, yet comfort remained absent. Architecture gave him status, identity, and praise, but never calm. His reflection in glass buildings often felt unfamiliar, as if he had merged with the structures he created, strong, admired, and emotionally closed. Kabir feared stillness because it demanded honesty. He feared honesty because it uncovered a longing he could not explain or design away. So he kept moving forward, choosing activity over reflection, mistaking endurance for strength, achievement for fulfillment, and survival for living, unaware that life needed more than control, success, or recognition to ever feel complete.